Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Printify in Australia to create and sell custom products. From apparel to accessories, all without worrying about inventory or shipping. Printify is a print on demand service, which means you can create unique designs and sell them online without any upfront costs. So let's dive right in and get your Printify account set up and ready to go. Let's get you set up with a Printify account. Head to printify.com and click on sign up at the top right. You can sign up using your Google account, Facebook, or email. Once you have signed up, verify your email to activate your account. After logging in, you will see your Printify dashboard. This is where you will manage everything from product creation to tracking your sales and orders. Next, let's connect Printify to an e-commerce platform where you can sell your products. Printify works with multiple platforms, but the most popular are Shopify, Etsy, and eBay, which all work great in Australia. Here's how to connect one. From your Printify dashboard, go to Manage My Stores and click Add a Store. Then select the platform you want to connect. For example, if you are using Etsy, click on Connect Etsy and log into your Etsy account. Give Printify permission to access your store and your account will be linked. Connecting your store lets Printify automatically fulfill orders as customers buy from you. Now comes to the fun part. Create your product to get started. Go back to your Printify dashboard, then select catalog. Browse through the various product categories, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and more. Select a product you want to customize and it will open up to design editor. From here, upload your design by clicking add your design. You can adjust the size, placement, and even add text if you would like. When you are happy with your design, click save product. For customers in Australia, shipping times and costs can be a big factor. Luckily, Printify has a few print provider with Australian fulfillment, meaning faster shipping and lower cost. After saving your design, go to choose print provider and look for the providers that list ship from Australia. Once you select a provider, review their printing option, pricing, and estimated delivery times. This helps you set an appropriate price for your customers and reduce any surprises with shipping costs or times. Before we pub Before we publish, let's set a price. Printify provides a cost breakdown to help you decide. Ideally, you will want to add a markup that covers Printify cost and gives you a reasonable profit margin. Once you have set the price, click publish to add the product to your connected store, and that's it. Your product is now live and available for purchase. Printify will handle printing and shipping whenever a customer buy it, while you earn from each sale. And that's it. Thanks for watching.